So, hello everyone, it's me, Charlene Dupa. So, for today's vlog, mag-vlog ako eating freshly baked Japanese pancake. Just this one, and also this one. So, this one is actually um, a freshly baked Japanese pancake. Ang flavor is Bavarian. Ito siya. It even looks so yummy, diba? It even looks so yummy. And ang kanyang palaman ay Bavarian. Bavarian siya. Tikman natin. Masarap siya. Sarap ng Bavarian taste niya. Japanese pancake siya. And ang kanyang palaman is Bavarian. At masarap siya. It really is so yummy talaga. So masarap. Sarap niya talaga. It's so sweet. And I really love sweet foods kasi. So masarap. I really like this so much. Actually, this one was Bavarian flavor. And ito naman is ube flavor. This was actually ube flavor. It's a Japanese pancake and ang kanyang palaman ay ube. Yung kanina is Bavarian and while this one is ube. Sarap. Sarap. As in, sobrang sarap. It's really masarap. Sobrang sarap niya talaga. A must try Japanese pancake. Masarap talaga, as in promise. It was actually ube flavor. Yan yung ube, oh. Ang sarap talaga, promise. I actually bought this in Coronadal City. It's so masarap talaga, oh. I really like this Japanese pancake. Between the two, Bavarian and ube, masarap talaga itong ube. As in. Mmm. That would be all. Thank you.